Mona.
Yes, great, Mona. So after letter L, we have letter M, as Mona said, and M, Mona, right? Okay, great. So,
The harf M.
bravo, Mona. Let's see. Let's watch the video, and I want you to repeat after the video. Okay, read.
Read.
Hmm.
Hi, I'm
طبعا حرف الام
Mary Monkey.
sound.
This is the letter M.
1, 2,
Repeat
3,
without opening your mic.
4,
Repeat without opening your
1,
mic.
2, 3.
M. Merry monkey.
Merry monkey.
What's the beginning sound?
M.
What letter is this?
M.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Yalla,
Milk.
repeat without opening your mic.
Milk.
Money.
Money.
Mouse.
Mouse. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse. Money. 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 Milk. 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 Monkey. Monkey.
Okay.
Monkey. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the milk. I like the monkey. I like the milk. I like the monkey.
Good. Okay, now open your book. Page 44. Yes, perfect, Mona. Can you see? What is the name of this animal? What is the name of this animal? Who can tell me?
Monkey.
Yes, great. And the monkey like to eat what? The monkey like to eat ايه؟ what did the monkey like to eat? بيحب ياكل ايه المونكي؟
Banana.
Banana, برافو. And banana starts with letter? Banana بتبدأ بلتر ايه؟
B.
برافو.
Banana. B.
Sound.
Banana.
Banana, bravo. Okay.
Banana.
Banana, super. And here we have Mary, Mary, monkey. Mary means happy. Can you see this monkey? هو المونكي ده happy ولا sad?
Happy.
And open your mic and open your mic and discuss with us. Yes. happy ايه؟ happy ليها معنى كلمة تانية اسمها ميري. happy وميري. happy وميري الاتنين معناهم واحد، سعيد. Mary monkey. Mary monkey. Okay. So if we asked you what do we get from the cow and what do we drink every day? We should drink a What should we drink every day? Yes. Milk.
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 برافو. We should drink a milk.
Milk.
Milk. Yes, great. We should drink milk. Okay.
Milk.
Yes, super. Who likes milk? ها مين اللي بيحب الملك? Who likes to drink milk?
Me.
You like to drink
Me.
milk? Do you like to drink milk, Anne? Yes, I do.
Yes.
Yes, I do. I like to drink milk too. Type. Number 3. When you go to the supermarket in order to buy sweets.
Money.
بنروح للسوبرماركت عشان نشتري sweets. We pay the clerk. بندفع للراجل اللي شغال في السوبر ماركت ايه؟ What do we pay?
Money.
Money. Yes, we give the man the money. بنديله الماني وبناخد الايه؟ بناخد السويت. Right? Money. Who has money? Who is rich and have money? Who has money? Do you have money?
Me.
You have money, Mona?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have money, Ala? Are you rich? Yes. Do you have money, Anne? Yes. Yes, you have. Okay, great.
Have money.
Who likes to watch the cartoon Tom and Jerry? Do you know Tom and Jerry? Cartoon Tom and Jerry? Do you watch cartoon Tom and Jerry? اللي هو كان ايه؟ كان ماوس وايه وكات بيجروا ورا بعض. عارفين التوم اند جيري؟
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay, mouse. And we have another word for mouse. It is rat. احنا نقدر نسميه mouse. الفار ممكن يبقى اسمه mouse وممكن يبقى اسمه ايه تاني؟ اسمه rat او mouse. Okay. طيب يلا يا منى. read.
Monkey. Monkey. Milk. Milk. Money. Money. Mouse.
Great. Okay. يلا يا آن.
Monkey. Milk. Money. Mouse.
برافو آلاء.
Monkey. Milk. Money. Mouse.
Okay, great. Who can help me write milk? Who can help me write milk? I don't know how to write milk. Help me.
L.
M. Yes. After M. I. Letter I. Sound I. طب بنقرأ ايه؟ لا. Yes. L. Then we have K. Yes, great. K. Yes, great. Okay. Write milk quickly. And write a monkey.
Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Yes, great. It's written here.
Why the Yusuf, my brother?
Really? You call him monkey? Why?
Why my brother Yusuf?
Really?
Really?
Okay. طيب. How can we say the word monkey and how can we say the word milk? خلي بالنا احنا عندنا كلمة في كلمة monkey. مين يقدر يقولها لي؟ كلمة إيه؟ هيا آلاء افتحي مايك. عندنا كلمة إيه؟ في كلمة صغنونة مستخبية.
1 2
عندنا كلمتين كمان.
كي
كي، برافو. عندنا كي وعندنا إيه؟ وعندنا the first part of منى. عندنا منى كمان بس من غير الإيه. عندنا منى MON، نص الأولاني بتاع منى، وعندنا كي بقت إيه؟ monkey MONKEY monkey. repeat after me يلا. MONKEY monkey. يلا هم.
M E M O N
KEY monkey
I
monkey.
monkey.
Great. Okay, close your eyes. يلا try to say it. هتفتكروها بمنى وكي. يلا close your eyes. M O
M O
K E Y monkey. برافو ياسمين. We are in page ياسمين 44. We are on page 44 ياسمين. طيب يلا. milk. ها. Yes. MILK milk. Repeat after me ياسمين. All of you. MILK milk. MILK. Yes, great. MILK milk. Again. MILK. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes and spell milk. MILK milk. Hey, Anne, close your eyes. MILK milk.
M I L K L multi L
Milk, yes, great. Huh? يلا tell me ياسمين. Close your eyes and spell milk. غمضي عينيكي وقولي milk.
I
ها ياسمين. MILK milk. ها ياسمين.
L K milk.
برافو آن. Close your eyes and spell milk. يلا يا آن.
ها؟
spell milk. spell milk. Yes, great. Yeah. K milk. K milk. يلا يا آلاء spell milk. Close your eyes.
M I L K milk.
milk. برافو منى.
MILK milk.
Great. Yasmin, repeat after me. Monkey,
Monkey
milk,
milk
money,
money
mouse.
mouse.
يلا تقدري تقوليهم لي الأربعة ياسمين؟ قوليهم لي كده.
Monkey
milk. ها. money. money إيه؟
money
mouse.
mouse.
Yes, great. So monkey, milk, money, mouse. Move to page 45. Where's your book يا ياسمين؟
عندي.
Okay, great.
ليش بس أجيب القلم؟
Page
يلا finish writing letter M quickly.
بس ما حليت.
يلا ها write letter M. Have you finished؟ مين اللي خلص؟
أنا ما عندي قلم.
مم.
Me teacher.
Great. طيب يلا finish quickly. Lesson
45. D. Listen and write.
right then
Then
match.
match. 1,
Okay, lesson
Monkey.
one monkey.
Monkey.
One monkey. So, what should we do now? We should match number 1 with monkey. Match number 1 with monkey. So, what should we write? نكتب إيه? We should write the beginning letter of monkey. M. Yes. The beginning letter of monkey is إيه? M. Letter M. So, you are going to write M capital, M small. Right? M capital, M small. طيب دور بقى مين؟ It's Anne's turn. ده دورك يا آن.
2,
Milk. Milk.
Yes ها.
اسمعي بس ما قلتي
Yes. What should we match يا آن؟
ماما لسه
Milk.
Milk.
Yes. And milk
Milk.
start with which letter?
M.
M. Letter M. Sound ما.
هذا أشياء
ملك
علمونا.
يلا سوي
درسونا مراجعة عليه.
Okay. Next one. يلا يا منى.
3,
منى answered. Wait.
Insect.
آلاء الأول. آلاء.
Insect.
آلاء.
Insect.
Insect. Yes. Insect start with which letter?
N. مجهزة على أول.
Insect. Igloo. Insect. Iguana. Sound.
إجوانا.
Letter بقى. حرف yes. Iguana. Insect. Letter I sound right? Letter I sound طيب يلا يا ياسمينة. It's your turn.
4,
Kangaroo.
Oh my God.
Kangaroo.
Yasmin. Number 4. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Start with which letter?
P.
Yasmin. It's Yasmin. Yes, kangaroo start with letter A, Yasmina.
P. اسمه kangaroo.
Yes.
Yep.
K. Letter K. Sound K. Letter K. Sound K. Kangaroo. Like Mona again.
5,
Money. Money.
Letter
Yes.
Letter money.
Letter M. Sound M.
Money.
Money. Bravo.
Money.
Letter M.
Money.
sound M. Great. يلا آلاء.
6,
Mouse.
Mouse.
Yes.
Mouse.
Great. Mouse. And mouse, letter A.
M.
Sound ma. Letter M sound ma. Mouse. Okay. Have you finished? Now listen to the song and sing with it, okay? Because after finishing the song, everyone is going to sing it. بعد ما تخلص السونج دي كل واحد هيغنيها. نشوف مين أحسن واحد هيغنيها.
Mouse.
يلا listen.
Milk.
اسمعوا الأول يا حلوين.
أنا عرفتها.
Page 45. E. Listen and chant.
Mouse. 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 Money. 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 Milk. 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 Monkey. 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 Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the milk. I like the monkey. I like the milk. I like the monkey.
I like a monkey.
Ha, can you start يا منى?
Page
Can you
45.
sing the song?
Yes.
Okay, start. يلا. Mouse.
Money. Milk. Monkey. Mouse. Money. Milk. Monkey.
I like the mouse. I like
Like the mouse. I like the monkey. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the milk. I like a monkey. I like the milk. I like a monkey.
برافو برافو منى. يلا يا آلاء. Sing the song.
I want mouse, money, milk, monkey.
Again, huh?
I like a mouse. I like a money. I like a mouse. Mouse. I like monkey.
برافو
I
برافو
like
يا آلاء.
monkey.
Okay, I'll give you a heart. This is heart for Mona and this is heart for Ala. يلا يا آن. Sing the song.
Mouse. Mouse.
Money. يلا يا آن.
Money. Money. Milk. Milk. Monkey.
Yes, great. I like the mouse.
I like mouse. I like money.
Money.
I like the milk. I like
Monkey. Great, يا آن. I'll give you a heart. يلا ياسمين.
mouse, money, milk, monkey.
Great. I like. Say, I like.
I like mouse. I like money. I like milk. I like monkey.
Great. Bravo. I'll give you another heart. You have 4 hearts from me because you were perfect today. Okay. Which letter we have after letter M? Yes, letter N.
No.
Great. So this is page 46. Before we take this, let's watch the video about letter N sound N, as you said. Letter N.
Mona. N.
Yes, we have N in Mona and we have N in Yasmin. Right? عندنا N in Yasmin برضو.
كل الحروف اللي ناخدها حرف منى، بعد الام حرف الأ، بعد الأ حرف الإن، وبعد الإن حرف الأي. إن حرفي.
Mhm.
إن.
Yes, watch and read.
الإم.
Hello. I'm a noisy nut.
يلا repeat after
This
video.
is the N sound. This is the letter N.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Huh?
N. N. Noisy nut.
N. N. Noisy nut.
What's the beginning sound?
N.
What letter is this?
N.
Nut.
Nut.
Net.
Net.
Nest.
Nest.
Nose.
Nose. Nest. 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 Nose. 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 Nut. 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 Net. 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 Nest, nose, nut, net. Nest, nose, nut, net. Nest, nose, nut, net. Nest, nose, nut, net. That is a nest. That is a nose. That is a nest. That is a nose. That is a nut. That is a net. That is a nut. That is a net.
Okay, let's play a game. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Yes. Can you hear me well? I said touch your nose. Touch your nose دي يعني ايه؟ يعني امسك النوز بتاعتك. كيف لا؟ Can you hear me well? Yes, look at Ala. Ala is touching her nose. يا حلوين, we are playing a game. Look at
أنف.
Yes, nose.
نوز أنف.
Nose and great. Touch your nose. كلنا ياسمين ومنى وآن. شاوري على مناخيرك. Touch your nose يعني نمسك مناخيرنا. Touch your nose. طب touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Eyes. Eyes يا حلوين. Eyes يعني ايه؟ يعني عينينا. Eyes. Touch your hair. Your hair. فين الهير؟ Yes, hair. شعرنا. Touch your ears. Ears. فين ears? Great. Touch your mouth. Mouth. We're the mouth. Touch your teeth. 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 Yes, great. Touch your tongue. 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 فين الtongue؟ الtongue بتاعنا فين؟ لساننا. tongue يعني لسان. Touch your tongue. Yes, touch your eyebrows. Eyebrows يعني حواجب. Eyebrows. Touch your eyebrows. Touch your cheeks. cheeks يعني ايه؟ مين يعرف؟ cheeks. cheeks يعني ايه؟ لا. يعني ايه cheeks؟ قولولي طيب.
رموش.
لا. cheeks يعني خدود. خدود. touch your cheeks. cheeks يعني خدودنا. Yes, touch your cheeks. Yeah, look at Ala.
خالتي كده تسوي لي.
Yes, I like to do this also for my daughter. Touch your neck. 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 عندنا neck برضو بتبدأ بلتر N. neck يعني ايه؟ neck يعني الرقبة. neck يعني رقبة. و neck also start with letter A, with letter N.
منى.
منى. Okay, منى. Okay.
نادلة.